Come on, Comiskey.
There's juice on the floor.
Come run with us in the snow. Go get it. Come on, Wrigley. Wrigley.
You're gonna get her.
Probably not. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, it's snowy out for bulldogs. Oh, she's got to go pee, I think. PB. What you doing, little girl? Are you out in the snow? Go. Go. Yeah. Here's a boo. Go. Yeah. Go. Go, Wrigley. What is that? You don't need an air conditioner for right now. It's enough cold out. Oh, she's at the front door.
You wanna run back? You want me to run back?
Yeah. Go. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Good girl. Good mama. Comiskey's gonna have puppies on the 30th. That's why she's not energetic right now. A little slow. We just wanted to get her out in the snow for a minute. We'll take her back in. Ooh. Wrigley! And there's the view. The river. I guess it's icing up now. And then there's Joshua.
Marcus.
Oh, Marcus.